Hi everyone, welcome back to Tmsroyeals, and today I showed you yesterday, first of all, how I tilled this garden bed over here. And so today I am using a hoe to make some rows to plant corn. So what you have to do is you want to do it going downhill, so the water will roll down. And you take your hoe and you just pull it down like this, and this creates a valley for your water to stay in that, so it won't overwater your plants, especially if you get a lot of rain like us. And so this part is what the regular part is what you plant the plant in, and this is where the water collects, and you just do it all the way down. And basically what you do is you take your hoe and the size of, see, you can tell the length of your hoe right here, that's how far apart your the spacing of your rows should be. So that's about 6 inches I measured. And then, so that 6 inches is where the space you have to put your corn in. As you can see, I went ahead and worked hard actually. I'm out of breath still, but making all the rows. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 going down. I got 7, and I got 2 blocks. 7 here, and I got 8 there. So that's how many rows I have. Okay everyone, I'm going to go ahead and start planting my corn. I'm going to space them 3 inches apart going down my rows here. And yeah, so I'm going to do 3 inches apart all the way down on all these rows. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay, you get in the mound here, and then you dig a hole in the mound. And okay, I went ahead and stuck it in the mound here, and I'm going to go ahead and bury it over. And when I get done with this, I'm going to put some fertilizer on top to hold it in. To fertilize it, I'll just fertilize it on top. Sorry about that, guys. All right, and there we go. He's in. Well, it's getting dark, and so I got a whole row here. And I'm going to go ahead and finish planting the rest of these. And I'm also add a tip. The reason why you put these valleys right here is for you to walk through them when you want to tend to your garden. That's a tip. That's a good reason to have these things. Anyways, well, thank you so much. And by the way, this is how big the corn has gotten in 3 weeks. We did these 3 weeks ago, and this is how big they gotten. I did these on the previous video, showed you us planting them in these peat cups. And these little peat cups right here. They're Jiffy peat cups. You can get these from Lowe's for about $4 for about, I'd say about 50 of them. Or about maybe 10 bucks for about 50. But anyways, comes with a greenhouse, and you can watch our previous video. And they're bending over a little bit, but once you put them in the dirt, they'll work out. Anyways, well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye.